Urinary tract infection is one of the major causes of kidney problems among people, but people might not even know how to check themselves to know if they are having urinary tract infection. Now in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what is urinary tract infection, the signs and symptoms, and when you should run to a medical personnel for help, because when you don't run for help, it can end up affecting your kidneys, and not just your kidneys, even your reproductive organs. And that's why you must watch this video to the end so you can learn. Share this video to as many people as you can so they can learn what you're going to be learning in this video. Now, urinary tract infection is an infection that affects where urine passes, where urine is being formed, where urine is being stored in your body, and where urine comes out of your body. It's been affected. Now, how can you know you are having a urinary tract infection? One of the ways you will know you are having a urinary tract infection is, number one, if you're having forming urine, urinate on the floor, you notice that it's kind of forming. You might be having a kidney problem, you might be having a urinary tract infection. The second way you can know you are having a urinary tract infection is lower abdominal pain. Anytime you want to urinate, you feel so much pain in your lower abdomen and you think it's normal. It's not normal. It is urinary tract infection. It might have affected your bladder, causing cystitis. The third way you can know you are having a urinary tract infection is if you are peeing and you'll be experiencing pain in your urethra. As a woman at your front, you'll be experiencing pain. As a man in your pee, you'll be experiencing so much sharp pain there. When you're urinating and you'll be thinking it's nothing, it's something. It is majorly caused by urinary tract infection. And one of the ways you can know you're having urinary tract infection as well is having lower back pain. So if you're always experiencing this kind of pain, you should know you might have been visited by urinary tract infection and you need to treat it as soon as possible. Now, what are the things that causes urinary tract infection? One of the major things that is causing urinary tract infection among people is bacteria. And this happens most times when we don't wash ourselves very well. Most women wash themselves from the back to the front, bringing it to the urethra, and it can cause problem. Some people call it toilet infection because they get it from the toilet. When you sit in a dirty toilet, the microbes there might enter into your downtown as a woman, because this infection is more in women. But it shows signs more in women, but men, it can be in your body for even a year without showing any sign. And once you experience these signs of symptoms I've explained as a man, you need to run as fast as you can to the hospital, because it means it might have destroyed most of your organs, and you need to make sure you treat it without joke. As a woman, you might also experience an abnormal discharge coming out from your urethra. Where urine comes out, you'll be experiencing kind of white discharge, kind of thick discharge, cloudy discharge. This shows you are having a urinary tract infection. As a man, you might also experience this. When you want to pee, you experience some kind of discharge coming out that looks white, cloudy, and you might think it's sperm. It's not sperm. You are having a urinary tract infection and you need to treat it as soon as possible. So if you find this video very helpful, please do well to follow my page. Also share this video to as many women and men as you can. You might be saving the life of someone. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.